So ayun, mukhang nagbabalik ngayon tayo ngayon dito sa Daddy Kev's gameplay. Sisimulan natin tong laro na to. Matagal ko nang nilalaro to, PSP pa lang. Ito yung Fight Night 3.
Nice.
Lalaro natin to sa PPSSPP. So yun, tingnan natin. Offline din pala itong mga tol. So makikita natin kung paano makasuntok ng isang suntukan lang.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Let's go! Start. Play. So yan, meron na pala akong character dito. Siyempre may pangalan. So ako yun nandito sa kaliwa. Ang kakalabanin natin. Lumipat. Heavyweight pala ako. Heavyweight din yung kalaban natin. Madami. Masyadong malakas yan. Sige. Random na lang. Okay, siyempre sa Staples Center tayo, di ba?
Things are about to get underway here in round one.
Oh, hell no!
Oh my god.
He was ready to go,
Stop it. Get some help.
and the punch helped him get there.
Binuun.
Wala na, finish na.
The Beast would not stop punching. Watch this replay footage. He looked like a man possessed.
Ang dami yung mukha nung kalaban. Sinusuntok pa pabagsak na eh.
1, 2, 3,
Ganun
4,
bumangon.
5, 6,
Ganun bumangon.
7, 8, 9.
Pinasantain mo ha.
The Beast made sure this one was over by landing shot after shot. There was no way this fight could have continued. The fans are impressed with what they've seen
Magana
here
yung mukha
tonight.
niya eh. Magana. Okay. Buti kinaya mo ng lubid. So, dito na nagtatapos ang ating gameplay for today.